Over the next 30 days, I'm attempting to make $500 by reviewing items sold on Amazon. And if we don't hit our target, I'll bet everything we earned on red. So here's what we're up against. Honestly, I believe we need to make 300 videos to get near our goal. So I'm going to have to review pretty much everything in my house, which unsurprisingly was a lot. All right, let's go. So here's what we're working with. We have a tripod, a phone, a mic, editing software, and me. The idea here is to post videos to Amazon, and anytime somebody watches the video, then purchases the product, we get a commission. This can actually become a passive income stream once we have a whole network of videos working for us. But first, we need to work on building the network of videos. And so it began. We started with every eligible product in my room. This Acer Nitro monitor might just be my favorite monitor to use of all time. This Acer wireless, I got this Asus Tough gaming monitor, picked up these wooden wall panels, and soon we ventured outside my room. The ManSpot hair trimmer. Go ahead and test this on myself. Now for the product to be eligible for an Amazon review, it just has to be sold on Amazon. So technically you can get product from Walmart or Costco or any other retailer, bring it back, review it, and as long as it's sold on Amazon, it's eligible to be reviewed. And so we continued making videos. And I was doing so by batching everything together. So I scripted all the videos in one go, then I recorded everything in one go, then all the edits, and then all the posting. Well, at least that was the plan. I honestly don't know if we have enough time to get these 300 videos out. So either we're going to have to shorten the production time of each video, or I have no idea how else I'm going to do this, dude. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish all of these leftover videos and call it a night. Okay guys, so we have 38 videos ready to go for raw footage, that is. Right now we're working on the voiceovers, and like I was saying guys, all we're trying to do here is mass produce videos. We just want to iterate as fast as possible. Then after we have all our voiceovers, I'm going to go ahead and put all of this into our editing software, consolidate it down into a nice short 1 to 2 minute video, and post it. So yeah guys, that's our strategy. Not sure if it's gonna work or not, but I guess we're gonna find out anyways. And so we finished up the first batch of videos, which honestly took way too long to make. Okay guys, so we made it to day number 5. Now I really do think we need to speed up this process, otherwise we are not hitting the goal. I think the first step really is to filter out the best products to review. So that's why I've installed this tool called Viral View. With the Viral View tool, we can see which items are actually worth reviewing. And this is based on the revenue generated, the competition on the review carousel, all summed up by a score out of 100. If you guys want to try out the Viral View tool, you can actually access all the basic features for free by signing up with a link in the description. Also, once you're ready to upgrade your plan, make sure to use the code NIOXY10 at checkout to receive 10% off. And a big thank you to Viral View for sponsoring today's video. So over the next couple days, we continued to make more videos. Now after doing this for a couple days, I basically accepted that I was not going to get to 300 videos. Especially not when we planned a 15-day vacation in between this 30-day challenge. Because I was actually making reviews and not just a 10-second quick clip of this product. Each review actually took some decent time to make, and overall it wasn't challenging to make these videos at all. It was actually very simple, but it was super repetitive, and that just really got to me. So instead of going at this with pure volume, I decided to turn to strategy. Let me explain. Okay guys, so it is now the end of day 12. Little time skip for you guys. I had a few things come up, so wasn't fully focused on making these videos. So yeah, we're like nowhere near that 300 video target. We now have gone 2 sales, so those commissions came from the very few posts that we made at the very beginning. Hopefully these videos start picking up and getting a few commissions. Also, if you guys were wondering what these icons here are, they're actually part of the Viral View tool, so it tells you which videos are actually ranking. So if it's neither, then we're not making any money from this video at all. So top is part of the listing itself right here, and down here is the bottom carousel. So that's what the difference is when you guys see top, bottom, or both. we can actually go ahead and use this product view, and this basically sorts the best to worst products to review. So the top one right here, 97 score, is making 900,000 almost every 30 days and only has 2 total influencer videos. If we go ahead and verify it, you guys can see there is 4 videos here, and it does seem like there are people that are earning commissions, as you guys can see right there. So this one right here, if we actually had this on hand, I would definitely be making a review on it, but I don't think I have this one. So now we're actually more selective about which products to review. By using the Viral View tool, we're able to check which products are actually worth reviewing. And from there, we focus mainly on just the top products. And I was able to get the video creation process down to about 30 minutes. That comes out to be 5 minutes of filming the product, 10 minutes of voiceovering, and roughly 15 minutes of editing. And yes, that's for one product. At this point, we've done all we could, and now it was up to the Amazon algorithm. It's going already. Okay, so a quick little update. I made 2 videos while we're on the plane, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload them right here. Let's go ahead and check our results for today. Have we gotten any new commissions? I have no idea. Let's find out. Nothing. I'm gonna upload those 2 videos and see you guys soon. So for the next couple days, I enjoyed my time on vacation. Oh shit! Forgot to do updates along the way, but we now have 46.98 on the US side and 137 on the Canadian side. Pretty cool, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. And just like that, the challenge is now over. Now it's time for the reveal. So we posted a grand total of 98 videos split amongst Amazon.ca and Amazon.com. So that means 49 videos for each platform. And so we earned $56.98 in US dollars from Amazon.com, as well as $140.85 Canadian from Amazon.ca, bringing our total after conversions to $220.74 Canadian, which of course is short of $500 in 30 days. So you guys know what that means. So here I am with $215, yes, slightly short from the 220. I totally forgot what the amount was. Now, because the casino was playing some copyright music I can't use, you guys get a voiceover instead. So here we go. We locked everything in on red. Hold on guys, really quick before the spin, if you guys want an exclusive tutorial on how to get into the Amazon program, as well as how to get approved for on-site commissions like I did, then make sure you join the email list linked in the description, and I will send you the tutorial totally free of charge. Anyways, back to the spin. I need a red bag. Why did I do this to myself? No! Yes! Yes! Okay, so it's been a few months since we started this challenge. I just want to show you guys what the earnings look like now. So over the last 30 days right here, we've made $415 US in commissions, and in terms of .ca, we've made 60 bucks basically in Canadian dollars. Now currently we have 114 videos posted in total. We have 57 videos on Amazon.com and 57 videos on Amazon.ca. So really quickly, if we were to extrapolate this linearly, we go ahead and convert this to Canadian dollars right here. We have a total of $5.63 earned per video posted. Now, if we were to post 1,000 videos in total, we have $5,600 roughly coming in every single month. Realistically, let's say we cut this by half right here, we make $2,800 a month passively. I would not be complaining about that from just on-site commission videos. Now all of this is just scratching the surface of what we could be making in the video creation space. So if you guys want to learn more about the Amazon Influencer Program or other methods of earning using video creation, then make sure to join the email list. Link is in the description for you guys. I'll see you all in the next one.